Hey guys, Sebastian here. I wanted to introduce you to the new Rain Dance. So we have Rain Dance Renaissance. We've had it for a while. We've added a few new products to that line, and then we've launched Rain Dance Oasis. So the way that these two sectors of Rain Dance work together now is that Renaissance is a rebirth. So it's going to be detoxifying and cleansing and preparing that scalp, skin, and hair for nourishment. And really that's what Oasis is all about. It's going to hydrate, nourish, and really give back to that hair what it's been missing. So the two lines work beautifully together. I'm going to have Rayma walk you through just so that you know what each product we have is, and then we're going to tell you about a way that you can get it at a great price. Okay, Rayma, show us all the products.
Okay, well, first we're going to start with the refining clay scrub. This is a great exfoliant for the scalp and for the skin. We have the oxygen balm. This is now in a smaller tub, so with a convenient spout. We have the normalizing bath. This is for excess sebum and dandruff both. We have the purity bath. When we have the balance elixirs. We have the prosperity bath. We have the prosperity elixirs. This here is for anti-hair loss and just to kind of help promote regrowth. We have the tonic life essence. This is just to kind of give your skin, your scalp, just a nice drink of water. It's just a very lightweight mist. And then we have the sublime night. That has not changed, just in a different size bottle. Okay, and so moving on to the Rain Dance Oasis. So we now have a Velvet Caress hand cream. We have a Phyto Revive cream, which this is a lightweight moisturizer. A little bit goes a long way. We have the rejuvenating shampoo and the radiant conditioner. So these take place of the Hydra shampoo and conditioner as well as the volumizing shampoo. We have a rejuvenating mask. So this will actually take place of your deep repair mask as well as the Hydra booster mask. We have the Phyto Cleanse Foam. This is for the scalp and for the skin. Great makeup remover. We have the Prestigious Oil. We have the K-Repair. So this here is like a keratin treatment. It's a leave-in base, so you can just put it in and it's great to, you leave on for 5 minutes and then go. The Color Revive Shampoo and the Color Bind pH 3. So this is a shampoo, and I guess you can consider this a conditioner. Just ask your sales rep for any questions. Then we also have the Magnificent Mist. This kind of takes place of your milk spray. It's just a great leave-in conditioning mist for your finer haired ladies that don't necessarily need a conditioner. So we have amazing deals on both the Renaissance and the new Oasis. Just kind of a startup kit with some great discounts. So just call your sales rep, ask some questions, and we hope to talk to you soon.